A very joyful afternoon to everyone. My name is Tanish Raj. I am the student of PGDM second sem. Today I am standing here to deliver a presentation on the topic business environment. So before I proceed, I would like to thank Reena ma'am for this previous opportunity. So the business environment refers to the set of all the internal and external factors which affect or influence the business directly or indirectly, or it can also be defined as exist or runs. So there are basically two factors, that is internal factor and external factor. So if we talk about internal factors are those factors which is within the organization. It means it is controllable. So these factors may be changed or modified. For example, resources, that is man, money, machine, material, policies of the organization or the marketing mix. If we talk about external factors are those factors which are uncontrollable factors. As these factors are uncontrollable, then the success of the business totally depends on its adaptability to the environment, which includes the political environment, economical environment, social environment, and technological environment, and so on. So external environment is also divided into two parts, that is micro environment and macro environment. If we talk about micro environment is the part of the external environment which is the immediate environment of any business. It means that it is closely related to that particular business. It affects the firm, the different firm differently in the same sector or in the same industry. If we talk, according to Charles Hills and Gareth Jones, the micro environment of the business is concerned with macro environment. If we talk about macro environment are that environment which have the indirect impact on any business because it is not closely linked to the business. So if we talk about micro environment, these include suppliers, customer, labor, and business associates and etc. Suppliers are those persons who supply the raw material or the inputs for the organization. So for smooth running of business, it's very much necessary to have a very reliable or the multiple supply. If we talk about customers are those persons who buy the finished product of the organization. For example, there are different types of sub-customers, that is retailer customer, government bodies customer, foreign customer, manufacturing customer, and all that. If we talk about labor is that part of factor of production without which the production is impossible. So there are labor union, there are trade union also in the big organizations. If we talk about business associates are very helpful because it is easier to take loan or borrow capital from the business associates at the time of the crisis or emergency. If we talk about macro environment include economic factors. Economic factors like economic environment, the environment in which the business exists, or the economic system in which a business exists. So there are various external factors by which the economic environment of a business affect, such as economic conditions, economic policies, economic systems, and all that. If we talk about social culture factors are those factors in which a business exists, the social and culture system in which a business exists. Culture means the cultivated behavior of individual within the society. If we talk about political and legal environment, legal environment are those environment which include which exerts influence, which is influences by the three bodies, that is legislative, executive, and judiciary. So these are the factors by which the business is affected. So that's all from my side. Thank you.